I'm going to show you guys really quick how you can fill out your Nigerian Declaration of Health. You need it in order to upload your negative COVID test or your vaccine card. You cannot enter the country without it. Once you're done filling it out, it will give you a form in the form of a QR code. Let's go ahead and get it done.
Alright, so the very first thing we're going to do is go to Google and type in Nigeria Declaration Form. And once you get there and you get to the next page, it's going to be the very first link that's going to take you to the page that you're supposed to be on. So when filling out this page is specifically all about you and where you're flying from. So of course, US, I'm flying from Atlanta, but if I live in Boston, but I'm flying out of Atlanta, I need to put Atlanta. It'll pull up the terminals and your airline. Now this section is self-explanatory. It's all about your personal information, where you're going. Of course, your first and last name. Your family name is your last name. You know you don't have a diplomatic passport, because if you did, you definitely would know. So you're going to put your passport number, and you're going to need that same passport number at the very end. You're going to put where you're flying from, your email address as well, so that they can send you that QR code so that you can use it. So a lot of people ask, what number do they put in this section? And of course, if you're going to Nigeria, you need to put the number of A, the hotel you're staying in if you're not going to visit anybody, or B, the number of whoever is hosting you, because that's so important. Of course, you want to put your birthday. Mine is August 5th. So whenever you see this video, definitely drop in the comments a happy birthday, no matter what day it is, just so that I know, because I'm that person. So you're going to put your flight. So of course, I'm going to put DL54, because that's actually a real flight from Atlanta to Lagos. And then you're going to put your arrival location. For me, of course, it's going to be Lagos. And then the rest is self-explanatory. You're going to put when you're leaving, and then the first country of departure, which of course is going to be the United States if that's where you're flying from. Now, under that, you're going to see select country of transit. If you're flying to different airlines, such as like United, and you have to go through Germany, then of course your country of transit is going to be Germany. But because we're flying direct, we don't have a transit. And then of course your country of residence is where you currently live, and you're going to put that address as well.
Alright guys, we are almost done. If I've been helpful to you so far, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and like and share this video as well. Alright, let's finish up.
Alright, so this is the last portion. It's going to actually need countries you visited in the last 21 days. For me, I just came back from London, so I'm going to put the United Kingdom. But if you haven't been anywhere at all, just put the United States. I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to put the address of where I will be staying. And again, if you don't have a person that you're visiting, then you could just put the hotel information of where you'll be staying as like an emergency contact. So of course, we're going to put Lagos is where we're staying. We're not a resident, so we're hitting no, and we're staying for 14 days. So next is basically self-explanatory. You're going to put your emergency contact again, and then you're also going to put any information that they'll need. So they're going to ask you questions about, have you any cough, fever, chills, all COVID related questions. That's where they're going to ask you next. Further down in this video, you're also going to be able to upload your QR code. So that's a lot of things that's different now. Before, you had to have a test, and then you had to pay to get the QR code. Now you don't have to pay anymore. So if you're fully vaccinated, you'll put that. If you're partially vaccinated or not vaccinated at all, you need to upload a test. So you shouldn't even be doing this if you have not taken your test, if you are not vaccinated. After that, you're going to review everything, make sure it's accurate. Once you do that, it's going to give you another chance to review it. Once you've done that, then it's going to allow you to download that QR code, which I'm not going to show here, but it's super easy.
If you have any questions or you want to talk about any specific topics, drop in the comment below and let's chat about it. Bye!